ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mnangagwa is dismissed the claims that Vice President Chiwenga could automatically succeed President Mnangagwa, describing such speculation as unfounded and inconsistent within Zimbabwe's democratic principles. Sarabina mashoko arubura Mnangagwa achideclare kuti Chiwenga is not anointed to succeed Mnangagwa. Not was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina now ZVAITWA Ivan Mdanyora vachiti. In an interview with SABC News on Tuesday, Mutsvangwa stressed that leadership transition in the country are determined by elections, not behind-the-scenes arrangement. In quotes, "It is not that we do not want him," he said. He can declare his candidacy. There is no provision in the Zimbabwean constitution that the vice president is the automatic leader of the country afterwards. Using a colorful analogy, Mutsvangwa said, "This is not a papacy. This is not our cardinals in Rome sitting in a cabal deciding that this is going to be the person succeeding the Pope. This is a democratic country and the people go to elections." He further emphasized that anyone seeking the presidency must follow the proper process. If he wants, he can declare his candidacy for elections in the party or outside the party and do the test of the vote. This effort of someone being anointed for whatever reason is totally against the tenets of democratic governance, Mutsvangwa said. The ZANU-PF spokesperson also pointed out that Chiwenga is not the only figure with ambitions of higher office. Why this particular preoccupation with his particular person, except that there are some people who feel that he should be anointed as the leader of Zimbabwe. This is not a papacy. This is a democratic, constitutionally run country, he added. Doma shoko ambaye bwana Mnangagwa chataka vipi kosano Chiwenga achidismissa kuti aiwa is the automatic successor umtungamiri wenyika. Pina comment section medu mboza mafunguro enyu moti kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like cheto on the bell icon.